If you believe that the America is a place where everything go nice and you gonna have whole heap of vibes and you gonna be able to do this, that, and the third, you are being misled.
More flames. But where them take it for? More fire, more flames. Respect.
America is not the place what I think it is. This is how me view it from my personal experience, right? America is a place where me come, I'ma make money. You want to come here and you want to make money? Cool. That is fantastic. Do what you have to do. But if you think you're going to come here and experience the best of life, and you think everything going to be sweet and jolly, and you think you're going to go down the street, and you think you're going to meet people, and you're going to have a great time, and life just going nice. No, nigga. No, that's not how America is going to run for you. You're going to come here, you want to do work, you want to do your job. Because we know, like Jamaica, when it comes to working, it's not the best thing. That's why I want to come here for the job opportunities. Now, job opportunities wise, America is great. It's a great place if you want job opportunities. You want to make some investments, you want to do some working. Very good economy for working citizens. For people that want to enjoy life and have a vibe, oh no. Oh no. From my personal experience, no, that's not what America is. You come here to America, you're not gonna come here, come act and do the same shit you've been doing when you went in there in Jamaica. You're not. Okay? You going to come here, you're going to find a place, or you're going to stay with somebody, wherever it may be. You are going to get a job. You're going to get a vehicle possibly. America is a place for bills and debt. That little buy credit, add to your phone shit, yeah, that go probably get stale when you come here. You're going to have to get a phone plan. Yes, a phone plan. You're going to have to pay for that thing. Digital flow? Yeah, no. You going to come here and you going to get you a phone plan unless you're ready to buy a cheap phone and make, like Metro CPS or something. Next thing, when you come here, mind your business. Simple as ABC. Mind your business. This is a place for loners. You wanna be by yourself. You want nobody trouble you. You want to do your own thing and mind your own business. Yeah, this is the perfect place for you to come. Come to America. You are going to work like a slave. You going to work and you going to work and work some more. Tell her that right now. Don't come here and think you can dilly-dally and procrastinate and lay away. You going to work like a slave, boy. If you pay them bills, you going to work. Promise. I can give you one piece of advice. Live within your means. Calculate. Think about what you're going to do when you come here. Don't come here and just procrastinate and lay away and think that everything are going to run smoothly. God are going to have your back and with everything. God can't save you from them bills about to slap your boy. No, sir. God can't save you from the stress is definitely a factor. That's why I say, when you come here, dog, you have to know what you're going to do. You have to have a plan already. You almost forget. Food, bad man. Depending on where you go, the food might not be up to par. So depending on what state you want to go, you need to know what you want to do there. I visit Florida before. There's New York. Hell, Canada. These places I've seen and witnessed more Jamaican products. Not sure about other states, other places. These are just the places that I've been to and I can tell you. Let me tell you, by the end of the experience, when you start here, when you come here and you work for a couple of years or so, and you start, get into the groove, you get settled down, you get into your routine. When that's all said and done, you're going to find a time when you're going to take a trip, go back to Jamaica now. And then you're going to say, blood needs. I don't want to go back. I am telling you, you're going to jump on the flight, you're going to go to Jamaica, and you're going to realize, say, yo, I don't want to leave. I don't want to come back up here. You don't want to come back up here. I tell you, my youth say, you go experience the exact same thing. Let me know, maybe just feel like, me just did feel like, come ramble a little bit. I never really did have any video planned. I just hit record, and I just start yap. I just start talk about stuff like this, so.